Online tool Gradient Color Generator. This tool is not so self-explanatory, but if you enter in a width, let's say 80 width, we'll say 20 height, start color, which we'll go with that, and an end color. We'll go with that. Oh, the start color didn't go in. There we go. Start color and an end color, and the direction for the actual gradient. Now, we generate the image, and there you go. You got an 80 by 19, 80 by 19, and the gradient goes vertically. So it creates that for you. Great little tool for making bars and separators. Looks good in documents and very professional on websites.